This is the S7 safety cutter, and it is a feature-loaded box cutter. First, there are two ways to extend the blade. You can either use the silver tab to make a cut, or push up on the blade guard and it extends with the blade. This method makes the knife perfect for cutting off box tops. Set the guard against the top of the box for a straight, clean cut. With the S7, you can also set the blade depth with the black switch. This makes sure that you do not damage anything inside the box you are cutting. And of course, it is always safer to have less blade exposed. The S7 is a safety knife, so it retracts every time you let go of the guard or the silver switch. Now there is no exposed blade. In addition to setting the blade depth, if you push the black switch in the other direction, a film cutter is exposed. The S7 has an integrated tape slitter and blade storage that can hold up to 5 blades. To switch out blades, push forward here, flip it open, and simply take out a new blade and put in a new one by aligning the slots. And one additional feature, the S7 can be configured for right-handed or left-handed cutting because you can face the blade in either direction. The S7 knife works with the S7 safety blade, a 0.17-inch thick blade made of high-quality carbon steel that lasts 3 times longer than conventional blades. The blade also has a slightly rounded point or tip to help prevent punctures and injuries. This is the QuickBlade, an auto-loading metal utility knife. First, I'm sure you noticed the high visibility cover, and this is a heavy-duty die-cast body with a non-slip ergonomic rubber grip. Its key feature, though, is how you change a blade. Fully extend the blade, and then press this blade change button. Remove and dispose of the blade, or flip it and put it back in the chamber. That's it. Now the next time you make a cut with a QuickBlade, a fresh blade is already loaded. When the blade holder is empty, just refill it with up to 5 dual notch blades.